Alright, welcome to day 3 through 5 of your final assessment. What you're going to need to do is open up this Google Doc. You're going to go ahead and make a copy by going to File, Make a Copy. You're going to change this to your last name, and then just write script. So now you'll have a new copy that you can edit and mark up and submit. So here's the plan for today. The past 2 days you've looked at the scenes. You had 6 options. So you're going to pick one of those options, and then you are going to rewrite it so that it sounds like it takes place in Milwaukee in 2020. So once again, here I've got my example here. This is the original text. This is taken right from Shakespeare. And then I have my updated text. So I take it line by line and I update it and make it sound like it's today. So for example, it says 2 households, both alike in dignity. And I change it to, so there are these 2 gangs, right? They say, in fair Verona, where we lay our scene. And then I say, and they both live in this Verona city in Italy, right? So you're taking the original text, and then you're putting it in your own words on this side. Feel free to use slang. Do whatever you gotta do to make it sound like it's in Milwaukee in 2020. And that's all you're gonna do for the next 3 days. So today is Wednesday. You'll do this for tomorrow, which is Thursday, and Friday, which is your 3rd day. So you only have to do 1 scene. This is basically all you have to do. You see how I wrote these chunks, this chunk here? That's all you have to do for the next 3 days. That's what's due at Friday at 11:59 p.m. And there's a summary here. Now, if you're looking at this side and you're really confused about what's being said, which you probably are, feel free to go to this website right here. This will take you to SparkNotes, No Fear Shakespeare. So what it's really cool about it is that it takes the original text and it gives you a translation in modern English. So if I want Act 1, Scene 1, then I've got the modern text here. So I'll look at this side here to give me an idea of what is going on. So instead of saying, like, Gregory on my word will not carry coals, I might not know what that means. So I can look on this side where it says, Gregory, I swear we can't let them humiliate us. We won't take their garbage. This makes a lot more sense to me. So that's why I'm going to use this website to help me figure out what's being said. You can also just message me and ask me for help, of course. Scenes are on the following pages. Only do 1. So it looks like there's 8 pages of work here, but there's not. You're only doing 1 of these pages. So if you chose option 1, you're only going to do this page. Don't do anything more than this page. So option 1 is Act 1, Scene 5. Romeo says these words, so you're going to update it and write these words on this line. So he says, if I profane with my unworthiest hand, so I might change that to, I'm sorry if my hand offends you. And then I'll look at the second line. This holy shrine, the gentle fine is this. You are so beautiful to me. Kind of a thing. So you're just going to go ahead and update it. Then you would look at Juliet, and you'll finish this first. And then you'd look at Juliet. She says, good pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much. And then Juliet might say, you doing the most. Which manly devotion shows in this? So then you'll go ahead and translate Juliet, translate Romeo, then Juliet, Romeo, and Juliet. So that's all. You got 3 days. You've just got to translate 1 scene. Option 2, same thing. You'll take this scene, put it here in your own words. Option 3, Act 3, Scene 5, same thing. This scene over here. And remember, you're only doing 1. You're only doing 1 scene. That's all you have to do. It seems like a very little amount of work. It is a very little amount of work. It's very nice. You've got, but it's hard. It involves a lot of thinking. You'll probably have to use the website to help you out, but it's not going to be a lot of writing. Act 5, and then option 6. Yeah. So you can see you've got all these options. They're all here. You have to make a copy of the document. Once you're done, please submit it. Or if you can't figure out how to submit it in Google Classroom, please share it with me, and then I'll look it over and let you know how it is. This is due at Friday at 11:59 p.m. Good luck.